Well, hello there. I'm Alex, and I'm going to be showing you how I make a hair mask. And I've only done it once before, so, as you can tell, I am inexperienced. But, follow me on this journey and maybe it'll work out, and if it does, you can try it. But if it doesn't work out for you, don't blame me, you're the one who did it. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to be mixing aloe vera. This is a really big piece. You don't need a big piece. If you find a smaller piece, take it. Avocado, honey, coconut water, extra virgin olive oil, and something to blend it with. I've got a NutriBullet. Of course you can just smash it with your own willpower, but it can't be chunky. Or well, I guess it can, but it's not fun if it's chunky. You're gonna want to start by cutting everything up and opening the bottles. Voila! Alright, I'm not sure how we start, but I'm gonna put half of this avocado. This chunk of aloe vera, if you can see it, it's really slimy. So weird. Let's see. Actually, I'll put that in last. About maybe that much. Okay, that was like 2 tablespoons, I think. 1, 2, 3. 4-second long squeeze of honey, and maybe 3-4 tablespoons of coconut water. I'm really just guessing. Everything's so slimy. Voila, look at our concoction. Wow, that is a little too much for my hair, but maybe I can save it, but I'm not sure. And now we blend it. Wow. It looked like I just murdered Shrek, but let me check this out real quick. Hi. Okay. So it's a nice, oh wait, let me take it out. Show you. It's really really pasty. This is a hair mask, maybe. I'm gonna be putting this Ion Repair Solutions conditioner that adds protein, and I'm gonna be putting everything in the description below, unless it's the food, I guess. Alright, there's a lot in there, but it's not coming out. He's as upset as I am. Oh, it doesn't come out that hard. I mean, it doesn't come out that easily. Using my face. Okay, I know, I'm upset. This is annoying. Okay, I got as much as I can. Okay, it's that much. I am trying mixing it in because I need protein in my hair. There is no protein in my hair. There is nothing in my hair. It feels like when you stretch out yarn too much and it's got those little danglies. I don't know. It feels really thin. I don't know what he's doing. He's circling around me. Alright, so I've mixed it. It's a bright green, maybe mint green color. It smells like avocados and conditioner. So, oh, okay. So, it's time for the crazy part. Where it goes in my hair. Kind of regretting this. This is kind of scary. But Alright, so I scraped it off my pants. Put it in my... Okay, don't do that. Just put it straight in your hair. Don't let it drop out. Don't let it drop out of high school. Okay. You probably shouldn't be wearing clothes that you like. I just realized this. Okay. Oh my god. I don't like this. I really don't like this. It sounds mushy. It sounds like macaroni and cheese. There's some more I need to put in. But this is for my hair. Okay, just like the last scrape. Alright, wait. I need to make sure I coat every single... Did I put the coconut? Yeah, I put the coconut in. Okay, I got really scared. My cat's like looking at me. So it's been 40 minutes and I gotta get this off because it feels weird. So I just got out of the shower and I'm letting it air dry and it looks orange. I hate how it looks orange, but it's like very pink. But I'm letting it air dry just cause I have no rush. But it may just be a placebo since I put so much work into it. My mind's like, yeah, it's great. But it feels way better than Saturday, which is when I got it bleached. May just be a placebo. May just be my mind. But last year when I did the protein thing, it came in packets, so I only got to use it for 2.5 weeks or something. It worked wonders, but I also did the avocado hair mask once, but this time I used a lot more stuff. I just hope it works. My skin feels pretty smooth. If you try this out, I hope it works. I hope it does wonders. I hope your crops are harvested. I hope your water is plentiful. I don't know. I just hope everything works out for you. See ya.